Hello friends, today I have these Camel poster colors with me, so I want to share with you how the color is. You can see it's a small box and there are 6 shades only, yellow, red, blue, white, green and black. So there are all the primary colors along with white and black, so it's pretty good for simple paintings. So let us see how the colors, the color effect is. Let me try one by one on paper so that I can show you how the texture is. It's thicker than watercolor, but it's not thick like acrylic color, so it's good for students, for beginners, and to start with. So you can see there are only 6 colors, but you can create many other colors along with this using like mixing red and yellow. You can create orange, and by mixing yellow and green you can create lemon yellow, and like that. So let's try this. I'm painting something so that I can show you. So it's good to mix a little bit of water with this, otherwise you can't use it, it cannot spread very beautifully. So it's good to use a little bit of water, a pinch of water you can say, so that it holds on the brush very nice, and it's good for beginners actually. And now you are locked down, but later on when you need to travel, this is a very good thing to carry out. And it's only 100 rupees, that means $1.5 you can say. So it's a good thing for the starters kit. I hope you like this video, and thank you for joining me. Thank you.